Welcome back. I'm excited to tell you that it's April 13th, Bubba's lucky day. The 13th is my lucky day. But anyways, we'll talk more about that later. But guess what? Bubba popped a root, baby. This is a 1911, wrapped in a paper napkin, germinated in 48 hours at 80 to 85 degrees. All right, the first set I did, I didn't have the thermostat in there, and I cooked them. So, 48 hours, that's pretty good. Even my 1734s aren't popped yet, but both 1911s have. So I'm going to take, and I've taken the liberty ahead of time to mix up some root keeper, my Bacillus mycorrhiza humic acid. And what I'm going to do is take and just go ahead and dip the seed in the root keeper solution. Follow the instructions on the label, and you will not need instruction later on how to fix your growing issues. But yes, we're going to go ahead and inoculate this root, get it wet, and I'm actually going to place it in this bag back here. If you look at this, what you have is nice fluffy soil. It's moist, it will ball up and stick together, but it's not soaked. Alright, that's what you want for seed starter. And you want it fluffy and aerated. See all this perlite? We're going to go ahead and take it in there and lay it on a little bit of an angle, and we'll backfill it. It doesn't need a lot of soil on it. There you go. And I'm not going to just get majorly pack it down, just a light tap there. I don't want to break the root. Here's a little chunk of wood. I don't like wood in my mix. Wood can cause issues. Pull the wood out. Anyways, there you go. But that's what you want. You want light, fluffy soil. The biggest thing people do, new growers, they come in and they dump water on their seedlings every day. You don't want to do that. Two biggest issues with gardening: overwatering, underwatering. You're better off, you just need just enough moisture in there. Ideal is that it holds together. But you don't want it, squeeze it and have water come out. Now you have to come in every couple of days and water, but don't water every single day. Alright? Keep it a secret. Bubba's off to the races with the 1911 Urena. I'm growing two of these. I'm going to cross it with my 1734. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm using this light to keep them warm. For warmth in here in my garden tub, I'll leave the light on all day long just to reflect that heat down here. And I don't want bottom heat, I want top heat drawing them up. Bottom heat, once you pop a root, is not necessary, and to leave them on the heat for several days is a bad thing to do. You'll get tall, leggy plants if you're not careful that way. So here we go, the 1000 water, how to do the trick. But stay tuned. Hey, turn on your notifications, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for Bubba's attempt to grow 3 Michigan State records in a row. I am currently back-to-back state champion for 5 years now, and there's a lot of guys I'm told are trying to take me off my throne. I wish you luck, because we're growing with Mark's Mixes, and join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Mark's Mixes, natural ingredients, will get you to the finish line. Talk to you soon. Keep them growing.